Yo, what's going on, my fine people? Man, it's like extra early, bro. I stayed up all night, man. Like, I knew I should have got some sleep tonight, but it be like that, man. On a Friday night, you know what I'm saying, got nothing to do. But besides that, man, Jordan 3 is out today, man. Jordan 3 is out today, so we pulling up to Foot Locker, as you can see. Can you see that? Foot Locker. And basically in the middle of nowhere, it's like 40 or 50 minutes away from my house. But I end up hitting on these. I think even if I would have hit signed up or into the raffle for somewhere closer, I still would have hit, just based on the fact that nobody's checking for these. I think on StockX and GOAT, they're going for retail. I think in some sizes they're even going below retail on StockX, matter of fact. Yeah, man, we're gonna slide in and get this pair. We're gonna see what they like. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just use this shoe for everyday shoe. Cause right now, this is my current everyday shoe, my Aqua 8s. So I might have to double back and go get me some more Aqua 8s or whatever. I mean, not Aqua 8s, Aqua 6s, my bad. I might just double back and give me some Aqua 6s. You know what I'm saying? I have a fresh pair of those. Just double up on those. And then I'll wear them when I step out. But for right now, these two great Cement 3s are going to replace my Aqua 6s. And these going to be my everyday shoes. It's an all-white shoe, so it might be able to go with everything. We're going to see how they do. Maybe I do like a little wear test, like I wore these for 30 days straight. And this how they came out, this how they turned out. Because I never did something like that before. I wonder what people tune in for that. But enough talking, man. We're gonna slide in here, get this pair, slide back to the crib. I'm gonna have an in-hand look at them, and then y'all stay tuned for that. And then, yeah, we're gonna get it like that. So let's go, man. All right, so pair secured. You see Foot Locker in the background. Yeah, man, finna make a few more stops. Well, I did say I went straight to the crib, huh? Yeah, let's go straight to the crib. I might have to run some errands though, huh? Drop off my key. But yeah, I'm running straight to the crib. Or maybe make some more errands. Whichever one come first. Yeah, when I get home, y'all gonna see the pair. Let's go. Alright. Messing up the background and stuff? Hold on. Gotta get the background right. What's going on, my fine people? Once again, hope everybody having a nice little weekend, Labor Day weekend. Hope you got some plans set out, your barbecues, man. It's like, basically, the sad part for me, because it's like the end of the summer, and I love the summer so much, even though with the heat or whatever, so I still love summer. Summer just brings out, I don't know, some of my best content, or just that good feeling like, damn, man, it's gonna be a nice day today. I look forward to nice days, so that's that thing. And then, hold on a side note, if we was in Chicago, we in Atlanta right now, just to let y'all know, if we was in Chicago right now and it was a bad summer, and it's the end of August, bro, we would be seeing some cold. I hope Chicago had a nice little summer. I hope y'all had a good summer or whatever. I know I repeat that again, but what I'm trying to say is, it'll be cold around this time, like not right now, probably like mid-September or like end of September, but it's getting up there for the, you know what I'm saying, the whole United States, so just get that out of the way. All right, with enough rambling, let's get straight to the pair. Straight from Foot Locker. Yeah, man. Ain't too much to say, like, hold up, gotta show you the authenticity. Foot Locker, why y'all receipt so long, bro? You know what I'm saying, peep the game. We in there. I used the $10 coupon on this bad boy. They ain't got no points, so I really got a shot with Foot Locker. Alright, let me see what they say. Air Jordan 3, Summer White, Fire Red. Keep the label, you already know. I had to double check myself. 11.5 joint. You already know, posting the personal pair. So you got the elephant print on the on like the right side of the box. It's like watch all these other sneaker YouTubers, bro. Like you'll learn stuff like Mike Rich. Shout out to Mike Rich. Shout out to Unbreakable. My two favorite. And Ballin' on the Budget. I watch Ballin' on the Budget in a minute, but they're my three favorite YouTubers as far as sneaker content goes. But what I learned from Mike Rich is remember when they was doing around the time, I want to say they came out with the red threes. Not the fire red threes, but like, was that fire red? I don't know. It was like some red threes. It was like red, white, and black, but predominantly red. Them threes. I forget the name of them, but since then, like the third colorways, I guess you could say. I don't know. Don't hold me to that. But anyways, if it's not an OG colorway, what he said, that's what he said. If it's not an OG colorway, then most of these threes they had it's on the right side of the box, depending on how you hold it, or on the tag or whatever. And then over here you got your cement gray with your hits or your red or whatever. Then you got your Nike branding on the back. A lot of people don't do that. I don't know why. Maybe just boring. But we're gonna get straight to the shoe. Without further ado, I'm gonna let y'all be the judge first. You know what I'm saying? Then you'll get my reaction. Not too bad, not too bad. Ain't nothing to get too hyped over. They smell good. Jordan Air on the back. I guess you could say John Man Air on the back. Yeah, man, these are my everyday little things. So, for real, what y'all don't know, I put all my socials in my description, like my TikTok, my YouTube, my Instagram. For all those three platforms, I shoot different content. So if you got the little FOMO, I think I said that before in one of my videos. It's multiple forms of content that I shoot for each platform. Now, it may be duplicates on one or two platforms or all three platforms. But yeah, they're on there. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's different content on there. So if you want to spice a variety of type of content that I shoot, it is on there. I don't know how we got on there. Oh yeah, I do put the availability and the links and stuff and how you can get this shoe. That's what I was getting at. I do put the availability, the links, the style code, the price, the retail price. And from now on, I'm going to be putting a resale price. With that being said, though, these will be highly, highly available. I think these going to sit on shelves. Because you know how, for the people that do into the raffles, they got your name scratched off with like the little highlighter. It was only like one name scratched off, you know what I'm saying? Before my name was on there. So it's like two people that picked up their pairs, but you still got the whole rest of the day. Somebody might just get bored and like, man, let me go pick up my pair. But yeah, I think these gonna be highly available. Oh, and they did the Foot Locker I went to. I think it was an employee pair, like a little leftover employee pair, but they was like showing me like, hey, you know what I'm saying? Not like it was sitting on the shelves or whatever. Cause I asked her, I said, yeah, I got some White Thunder. She was like, yeah, we got a size 8. But then they was talking and they was like, don't sell his pair, he gonna get mad. I'm like, buddy finna get mad because I'm sure for the bad pair. But I ain't want to do buddy like that, you know what I'm saying? They been looking out for me on the raffle, so. Not like that, but Foot Locker been messing with me for the longest, so. Plus I wanted my pair, and you know what I'm saying? I don't want to be greedy because I already got that one, so. But yeah, pretty much, this is what it is, man. Got it's a Jumpman on the tongue. You kind of got your sail going on the outsole, on the midsole. Then you got your great also on the midsole. You got your bubble. You got your elephant print or your cement or whatever. But it's like darkish, you know what I'm saying? And then it's got more on the under the eyelids and above the eyelids. White shoestrings. I don't know if these come with spare laces or not. Then on your outsole, you got your cement gray, sail, black Jordan on the bottom, red. There's only these 2 hits of reds on there. So you got 2 hits right here and hits right there. So everyday shoe. everyday shoe, cause hold on one sec. Everyday shoe, because these right here are pretty much it's OV. It's OV for these, man. I gotta take these to a sneakery store. It's a dude in Buckhead, man. I be seeing his videos on Instagram, man. I'm gonna go holler at him, bro. Cause I want him to restore my my 11s. Oh, this is something I never showed on cam before. So I forget what these called. I think these called the Stealths or something like that, the Jordan 10s. But these are big, bro. Bro, if he can bring these back, bro, if somebody can bring these back, you know what I'm saying, let me know. It got sole separation and stuff. But when I was struggling and when I first moved to Atlanta, this is like one of the first shoes I bought. And I've been holding this to forever, bro. So it'll be nice, you know what I'm saying, to bring those back to life. And then have like a true, well, I guess one of the OG, but I think that shoe came out in like 2010 or like 2012, like way before 2015. That 10 right there is old as hell, like for real. But we got both pair. You can see. Nice little everyday shoe, everyday stepper. I got a back on the bad boys. So now I got something clean to wear every day. Instead of them sixes. Them sixes need to be them beaters right now, bro. I remember when I first did a review for them bad boys. Yeah. Ain't too much. For this to be an everyday shoe, you know what I'm saying? It's worth it. You know what I'm saying? Then it's like I could have went on StockX. I could have went on GOAT and just bought it for cheaper. On GOAT, matter of fact, I put the prices up here. But GOAT, matter of fact, I think they want retail for them, but StockX don't want retail. But you gotta think after them fees too, though. So you gotta put that into play too. You know what I'm saying? After them fees, so I just feel more comfortable going to a retail store, buying me a legit pair, and then getting it over with. Whatever I feel like I want to do after that, it's my business. You know what I'm saying? So, but anyways, that's pretty much it, man. Look, everyday pair. The smell test. These smell like a new car or something. Whole time. Alright, that's pretty much gonna end this one for the video, man. Yeah, I'll let y'all see this for one last time. Air Jordan 3, great cement joints, little rotation in. And I'll get over with y'all later, man. Everybody have a blessed Labor Day, man. Everybody just be out there, you know what I'm saying? Just have fun, man. Don't be doing nothing stupid out there, man. Be mindful, be careful, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, I get over with y'all later, man. Everybody be peaceful, be patient, be humble, and be blessed. And I messed that up. I'll holler at y'all later, man, for the passion, for the people, for the culture. I get over with y'all later, man. Y'all be easy. Peace.